Today we're going to see Santa Monica.
I think I've just met a goddess, a princess, an angel, and a queen.
Today we're going to see Santa Monica, and I will take you to my favorite street in Santa Monica, which is the 3rd Street Promenade. Then we're going to see Santa Monica Pier, super popular tourist destination in Santa Monica and in Los Angeles in general. And at the end I will show you beautiful Santa Monica Beach, and you'll see that it's very different from the Venice Beach, and I still haven't decided which one I like more. I will let you decide yourself. We are going to 3rd Street Promenade. 3rd Street Promenade is one of the most popular streets in Santa Monica because everything is happening here. Always busy, and 15 minutes in the line to get to the sales representative. We are in a more upscale part of the Santa Monica 3rd Street Promenade, specifically Santa Monica Place Mall. If you have some more money to spend, Santa Monica Place is for sure a place for you. And you can easily get to my favorite restaurant from here as well. Everywhere you go, you will see electric scooters and electric bikes. They're in every corner and every street, and it's so easy to move around. We are entering Santa Monica Pier right now, which is another extremely popular place in Santa Monica. Santa Monica has completely different vibe than Venice. It's more upscale and more sophisticated than Venice. Okay, we made it to the Santa Monica Pier. It's extremely windy today, that's why it's perfect weather for surfing. Well, let's go and see the Santa Monica Beach and how it's different from the Venice Beach.
Went on top of a grenade to save the lives of 2 Marines. Yeah.
Every time I come here, there's something completely new. Many memorials, many exhibitions, a lot of art. Let's go and see what are these old flags all about. Okay, now I'm going to try and find a Polish flag. right in the beginning.
The goal of this project is to have a drum circle in every country in the world each Sunday.
Is it your project? You started it?
I think I've just met a goddess, a princess, an angel, and a queen. This
No,
project
it's
is
not
called Drum Dance Pray,
Okay.
and we're promoting a world peace drum circle in every single country in the world and in all 50 states of America. We're sending a message of respect to every country, every culture, and every religion. All of us, we're sharing this tiny, tiny, tiny little planet together. And we are only little human flies. But when we all need to respect each other's spiritual path, and when we become good disciples of our path, we rise above the illusions of the world. Dziękuję.
Dziękuję. Dziękuję. Today is Sunday, but it's a very windy day, so there's not so many people as usually on the weekends. Look at the beach. Sometimes I feel like I'm the least fit person in the whole Santa Monica or even Los Angeles, especially when I come to Santa Monica or Venice Beach. On Santa Monica boardwalk you can find very upscale and luxury hotels. Okay, this is the end of the day in Santa Monica. I hope you liked it, and please message me if you have any more questions or anything else.